Budapest, and we are going to take a quick walk around the city and then head to Cafe New York, which is said to be the most beautiful cafe in the world. A big city, but it gives you a feeling of a really big city. The smell is so intense.
What's with this kind of chairs? What's going on?
We have finally reached New York Cafe. You have to prepare to stand in the line if you want to get in. It looks like a long line, but it's actually moving quite fast. It was first opened in 1894, but then in 1950s the interior was painted over, and the 19th century charm was destroyed. For decades it was losing its former glory until it was renovated in 2006. Beautiful architectural details were uncovered under the paint and the design was restored.
Oh, that's such a good movie.
It's very beautiful inside. I've never seen such a beautiful cafe. It's really the most beautiful one in the world.
It's just a normal place.
They offer full breakfast, lunch and dinner as well, but I decided to try just a lemon cake. It is quite pricey. A cappuccino can go from €10 with a mandatory service fee. The cake was nice but definitely overpriced and the service was a bit slow. But this place is undeniably beautiful.